Hi, I'm Karen Zukas. This is my bar and my little studio, and I work now in New Bedford. I was in Boston for many years and worked in a cooperative and had my own studio there. And now I moved to the South End, and this is my little studio here. And I like to make functional dishware. I'm also a painter. I'm a portrait painter and a watercolorist. Each painting style, each painting medium, I find I have a different style, like almost a completely different style. And I like to do landscapes with watercolors and people with oils. My pottery is called peasantware pottery because I decided to make it affordable, and I decided to make pieces of art and pieces of homemade things that everybody can afford and everybody can have. I think clay is really relaxing, super relaxing. It's sort of, whereas painting you're intense and you're using your intellect all the time, clay I don't feel like I do that. I just feel like I kind of use my skill, and it brings me to a place that's sort of relaxing and contemplative maybe, because I do a lot of thinking when I'm throwing. I kind of have this philosophy that it should be for the people, you know, affordable.